Okay, let's go how to create a database. So in order to create a database, you need SAMP. So SAMP is a tool that you need to use. So first, search for SAMP control panel, and then click start for Apache, start for MySQL, click admin, and localhost PHP admin will pop up. Then wait until it loads, and click new and name your database. So like for example, go sample, hit create, and then for table name, let's say product, or let's say users, then create for, hit create, view ID, statistics, text, general field, view name, varchar, have 40, and then you have username and password. Then let's save. So now you have your very own database.